Welcome to Language Analysis. Today's lesson is based on Synecdoche as a technical expression or word, Synecdoche. The objective of today's lesson, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to demonstrate a clear understanding that you can identify and explain the use of Synecdoche in a sentence which has been given you. What is Synecdoche? It is using part for the whole or the whole for a part. For example, I want to talk about a book, and instead of saying book, I say page or pages, or I want to refer to the page in a book, and instead of mentioning the page, I mention the book. That is Synecdoche. Look at these examples. Towards the end of the match, there were tired legs all over the pitch. Tired legs. Of course, the legs were tired, but we want to talk about tired footballers or tired players or tired people. But instead of mentioning people, which is the whole, we mention legs. Why? There is a reason for it, and there is a clear effectiveness. Meals on wheels. Yes, meals are in a vehicle, and the vehicle is transported to us. The wheels are the most important part of the vehicle, because the vehicle that actually makes is the wheels that make the vehicle move, that make the foot move. So why wheels instead of vehicle? I see a couple of new faces here. If I see a couple of new faces, it means I see a couple of new people here, new people. But then I mention faces, which is part of the human body, and I don't say people. It means that there's a reason why I want to focus your attention on faces. Why? What is important of faces when it comes to recognizing people? To the extent that I say there are new faces instead of there are new people. Now, the same faces is used in another way. I couldn't cope with so many faces staring at me. Of course, it is the eyes which are part of the faces that are staring at me. It's the eyes that are staring, not the faces. The faces don't stare, but the eyes stare. So this fourth example is different from the first three. The first three, legs, wheels, and faces, are taking part of the whole to represent the whole. Here, the whole is being used to represent the part. The part of the face is eyes. And instead of saying faces, which is the whole thing, instead of eyes, which are actually doing the job of staring, I'm using faces. These four examples give you the use of Synecdoche, using part for the whole or the whole for the part. Look at your takeaway for today. Read it, but I'm going to read what is in blue and red. Please record your answers in the comment box on YouTube. Everybody, because I would like to know if you need a consolidation lesson on Synecdoche. This is just because Synecdoche is could be a bit tricky to understand. So if your answers indicate that I need to give you another lesson on Synecdoche, then I will. So please, everybody, record your answers in the comment box. Thank you very much. As usual, This is Roger Olympio, your Webiclass teacher. Bye-bye.
Are you not yet subscribed? Don't lose out. Join us in Webiclass. Share, ask questions, suggest and subscribe.